you watch YouTube, your brain releases dopamine as a reward. Then you feel joy. Thousands of years ago, dopamine came only from achieving goals, such as hunting. Over time, people invented some fake achievements called hobbies. Killing someone you hate causes dopamine release, and the modern people simulates it through video games. Hobbies make addictions, and that's inevitable. I bet your life is full of addiction, and that's because you think life is boring and nothing feels like it used to. Those addictions fill your brain with dopamine and desensitize it. You might not believe, but you are addicted to watching YouTube. You're addicted to play games. You're addicted to watch something while eating. You say no? Don't do them for just a day. Then you will know what I'm talking about. So what's the solution? Let's have a 24 hours challenge called Dopamine Detox. No internet, no social media, no online chats, no movies, no YouTube videos, no sugar, no music, no sport, and nothing else that brings you joy. And these are things you can do. Walk alone or with someone, stretch your body, read books, talk to people around you, or work for your goals. You may ask what happens after this 24 hour. You'll enjoy your daily routine more than usual. And also, it's like taking an axe to the tree of addiction. It weakens it, and your attempt to quit completes the job. So I suggest you, before quitting anything, just do a one-day dopamine detox, especially for porn addiction.